Hey there friends, welcome back to the channel Creating with Sarah. So today's video I have for you my advent calendar from Planything, and today we're going to open up 15 through 19. So if you guys want to check out what's inside, then keep on watching. Open up day 15, 16, 17, 18, and 19, which is today. The reason why I'm doing this is because I didn't want to spoil it for others. Oh my gosh, look at all these goodies. So I do have plans with me's using Planything stickers and planner products. There's a link down below if you guys want to check it out. Unfortunately, during the holidays, she is in the process of moving, so I think her shop is closed until the new year. So definitely check back. So let's go ahead and open this up. Day 15, what do we got? We have some fun scrapbooking paper, and it looks like there's some acetate in here or vellum. I'm not really sure. Let's go ahead and open it up. All right, so we have a nice acetate, but actually this one has more of a decorative print on it, so it's not as see-through. So I don't know, yeah, I wouldn't call this vellum, I would call this acetate because it's a little thicker than vellum. But how cute is that? So when you're ready for the summer and you're prepping your summer planners, definitely pop this in your planner for more of a decorative, fun touch. You could also put like a bucket list on here, favorite memories from your vacation. That is just so cool. Then we have some decorative paper. It's double-sided. I love the flamingos and all the bright, fun colors. The stripes are really cool. This would be cute. You could actually do a project with this and maybe cut it in fours, make some little envelopes or something for your planner. And then we have the same print here, but in paper, and her paper is really thick, nice quality, and then the back side matches the washi tape that we got in last video. So fun. Oh, I love it. Okay, so that was day 15. Let's open up day 16. What is this? Oh, cute. So we have washi. I think this is a 10 or maybe a 15. Go ahead and open it up. Put this plastic in here because my kitty will find it. Not good for him. Okay. So it looks like a little banner with sliced fruit. We have kiwi, watermelon, lemon, and then it repeats itself. This is cute. Just try to see if I can open this up to share. Okay, so here's the washi. So it's like little scallops or a little banner of sliced washi. Now, since you do have like this extra room up here, you can totally take maybe a permanent marker and write some headers. If you're making a decorative page or something, you could totally write something there, because then you have like that cute little decorative banner underneath it. But that's fun. So that's day 16. All right, let's open day 17. A beautiful pen. So Planything's known for her beautiful crystal pens. Her name is, her company's name is embossed here. You have beautiful pink crystals there, and you have like this hot pink barrel. It is a ballpoint pen in black, and it's a twist pen. So really pretty. Definitely great for those Instagram photos. Perfect for the summer. I'm gonna get rid of this plastic. Okay, day 18. Oh my gosh, this is a thickie. Let's see what this is. Oh my gosh, this is cute. Oh my gosh, so cute. Just take one page here. So it's like a cute little to-do list. So it's like a little list pad here of the same printed summer scene here. And she put Planything at the bottom, little checklist. It's actually double-sided, so you can do both sides. So that is cool. So you could see a theme here. If you've been watching my unboxings, she did a whole little theme. Really cute. So it's definitely like all year round type of a advent calendar. So that was day 18. Last but not least, we have day 19. Look how flat this one is. Any guesses? Ah! Oh my gosh. So it is a fall theme, and I'm thinking the rest of the packages, which leads us up till Christmas Eve, might be fall. I know that's kind of a spoiler, but you can already tell there's a theme if you guys have been watching the unboxings. How adorable. So this is a planner accessory. It's a pocket. Oh, there's two? Oh my gosh, I hope there were supposed to be two. How cute is this? Oh my gosh, this one's my favorite. Look at all those cute fall essential or icons. Really cute. So again, this is an adhesive pocket. And you can put your stickers, your coupons. When you go to set up your planner, you know, you can have your essentials here. Sometimes I have appointment reminder cards that I put in my planner just to remind me, even though I have it written in my planner. I'm forgetful. That's why I am a planner as well. So how cute is that? You can put your stickers in here, stamps, like postal stamps. But this one's adorable. And then this one's got little pumpkins on it. I love the little kind of translucent tint. They're a little tinted. So that's really pretty. Oh my gosh, these are my favorite. So thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys are having a wonderful Christmas. Let me know which one was your favorite item. I think mine is going to be these pockets because that is just the cutest. I love that. So definitely give this video a thumbs up, and I will see you all in the next one until we get up to Christmas Eve. So Merry Christmas and have a wonderful day. Bye, friends.